All right, you are now good at understanding how to use Excel to keep track of your money and how to add when you put money into your account and how to subtract when you spend money. So next we're going shopping. So we're going to open this shopping list. Go ahead and stick your name in here, right up there. Okay, now our starting balance is $125. That means I'm starting you with $125, and you need to buy a yo-yo, a dog food bowl. You're going to get paid. You're going to buy a pair of shoes. You're going to buy a gallon of house paint. You're going to get paid again, and you're going to buy a video game. Each time you buy something or get paid, you have to find the new balance. Okay. Now, here's something else that is a really good idea, is if you're shopping online, obviously you're going to have your parents' permission before you do that, but you'll need to keep track of the web address where you have found the item that you are interested in. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to search for a yo-yo, and when we decide which one we want, you'll put the price of the yo-yo here in B6. And then in B7 you'll find your new balance. But over here in C6, you're going to need to copy the web address and paste it in there. Now how you do that is we're going to go to Google, and your address is not Google. We're going to type in yo-yo, and there is a website that's called yoyo.com. and that sells household goods. You don't want to do yoyo.com. So we're going to search for a yo-yo. And up comes yoyo.com, and that's household items. So you don't want that one. Searching for yo-yos. Let's say you wanted this, you were interested maybe in this one. So we're going to click on that. And notice that our web address now is not Google, it's toysrus.com, and it's a Toys R Us website. Okay, so you can see that it's a Dunkin' Imperial. You can see that the price is $3.99. By the way, you don't want to go to eBay because those are not going to be actual real prices. Usually, those are going to be like auction bids. So don't go to eBay. Okay, let's say that, no, you know what, I don't think I want that one, so we'll go back. And you can pick another one. Let's say maybe you wanted to look at this one. So I don't care which yo-yo you buy, okay? So this one's all shiny and everything, and you can look and see what all the specifications are. All right, this one's going to be $19.99, so you can remember that. But here's the part that you've got to get right. Up here is your address. It's not google.com, it's not toysrus.com. Here's your address. Now that's a whole bunch of stuff to try to remember or write down. You don't have to remember to write it down. To copy the address, we're going to click one time up there until it turns blue. Then hold down the CTRL button on your keyboard. It's the bottom left-hand corner or the bottom right-hand corner. Hold that down. And then with that held down, but not simultaneously, hold that one down first, hit the C button, C for copy. Now I've just copied what was in blue. Okay, so now we're going to go back to our Excel document, and we want to paste it right here. So we're going to click where we want to paste it. We're going to hold down the CTRL button, and we're going to click the V, which is right next to the C, the V for paste. And there it goes. There's our address. And the advantage to doing that is if you're not sure if that one's the one you want to buy, you can just put the address there and you'll know exactly how to get back to that same exact page. Okay? So then we're going to click, if we decide to buy that one, we're going to click right there and go $19.99. It's okay if there's not a dollar sign on that. So we know, all right, that's the yo-yo that I'm going to buy. It's $19.99. Here's the web address. This, by the way, is also a good thing to do if you are making a Christmas list for somebody. And that person isn't going to know exactly what it is you're talking about. You can send them this little link to that page, and they'll get the right thing. So next we need to find out our balance. You know really well. You're just going to go equals. Now we spent money, so we're not going to add. We're going to subtract. We're going to go B5. minus, because we spent money, minus B6, enter. After we bought our yo-yo, we had $105.01 left. Yours will probably be different if you buy a different yo-yo. Okay, so now we have $105.01 to buy a dog food bowl. So you'll go to Google, search for a dog food bowl, find the one you want, click in the address and copy, which is Control C. Come back here, click there, Control V to paste it, put the amount in, find your new balance. When you get paid, you won't have a web address because it's a paycheck. There is no web address. So you'll get paid, and then you'll find your new balance, and you'll need to complete all of this. Save this at the end as your last name shopping list and turn it in.